The first exercise we're going to really dive into is something we already just talked about, and that is unison tuning. Now, instead of doing just one note, we're going to go throughout the entire piano doing this same process to the majority of all the notes, and we're going to really practice and hone in our skills doing this technique. Let's go ahead and start in the bass. Now, I like to start in the B-chords, the area of the piano in the bass where there are 2 strings per note. Now, what I like to do is just simply detune or lower the tension on just one of the strings, and you can decide which one. Typically, I like to detune the far left string and then bring it again back up to pitch and in tune with the right string. Go throughout the bass section and do this practice. The nice thing is you don't need a tuning mute because there's only those 2 strings to work with. Now that we've practiced the bass section and the B-chords and we've done our unison tuning there, let's go ahead and move to the middle section or the tenor section of the piano. Now, using your tuning mute, go ahead and mute off one of the 3 strings in the unison. Again, this is going to leave 2 strings left over to go ahead and play with. You can go ahead and lower the tension and bring it back. Again, remember that overpull and those micro movements and then those test blows to really stabilize each of these notes. You can go throughout this whole treble and tenor section doing this throughout the piano and really have a lot of fun with it. Again, you're just tuning one string to another. That's really what we're doing, and we're wanting the sound to be pure, we're wanting those unisons to be clean, and we want that tuning to sound really nice.